Peeling paint on metal is usually a sign that rust is eating away underneath, and if you don't handle it right, that paint's just going to keep flaking off. So, first off, you got to get rid of all that rust. Like, scrape, sand, or wire brush it until the metal looks clean and smooth again. Don't skip this part because paint won't stick well to rusty spots. After that, wipe down the surface with a damp cloth or cleaner to get rid of dust and grease. Next, grab a rust-inhibitive primer. This stuff is like a shield that stops rust from coming back and helps your paint stick better. Let the primer dry completely before you go painting, otherwise you're setting yourself up for more peeling later. When you pick your paint, choose something made for metal and outdoor use if it's outside. Regular wall paint just won't cut it. Apply thin, even coats instead of one thick layer. This helps the paint dry properly and last longer. And finally, give it plenty of time to dry between coats so everything bonds nicely. If you do all this, your metal surface should stay looking sharp without peeling paint ruining the vibe. One of the biggest mistakes people make with paint peeling on metal surfaces is skipping rust removal %. If you paint right over rust, it just keeps spreading and peeling gets worse. Fix it by thoroughly cleaning and sanding down all rust before anything else. Another common issue is using regular primer or paint that isn't meant for rust protection, which leads to quick wear and tear. Always get a rust-inhibitive primer and high-quality metal paint designed to hold up against moisture and weather. Lastly, people often slap on thick coats to save time, but this traps moisture and causes bubbling or peeling. The fix? Use several thin coats with proper drying time in between to keep things solid. BigHomeProjects.com hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making it way easier to get your metal surfaces fixed right without the stress. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who actually need their skills, helping them grow their business without the hassle of endless searching.